This is 11-2 Work Together Stock Subscriptions and the Balance Sheet. This is found on page 324 of your book. If you go into your directions here, the first thing we need to do is use the general journal and statement paper provided, journalize the following transactions. On April 7th, we received a subscription from Robert Campanari for 5,000 shares of $20 stated value common stock, $100,000 Memorandum 1. So we need to go down into our general journal, and on April 7th, we did a subscription receivable because we are waiting on the money of $100,000, and we are going to credit our stock subscribed common for $100,000. We will go back up into our directions, and it says on April 24th we received cash from Robert Campanari in payment of the stock subscription, $100,000, receipt 5. So now he has paid back that subscription, and we will issue him a stock certificate. So on the 24th in our cash receipts journal, our account title is subscriptions receivable, receipt 5. We are going to credit our subscriptions receivable for $100,000, and we're going to receive $100,000 in cash. Okay, go back up to our directions. On the 25th, issued a stock certificate number 5 to Robert Campanari for 5,000 shares of $20 stated value common stock, $100,000. So now we need to go back to our general journal and issue him this stock. So on the 25th, we have our stock subscribed just like we did in the first work together, okay, of $100,000, and our capital stock common is credited. We need to go back to our directions, and it says that we need to prepare a balance sheet for Presidential Limousine as of April 30th of the current year. So you can go and look on page 325 in your book to find your balance sheet. When you look at your balance sheet, you'll see again that the cash on hand is your original paid by the incorporators minus the organizational costs. So you'll actually have to go back to Work Together 3.1 to figure out what these people paid for their organizational costs. So we know that they had $10,000 of organization costs, and that will go here. So if you want to write that down so you don't forget it, our total assets then will be $700,000 because our cash on hand would be that $690,000. Now we need to do our paid-in capital. We originally issued 30,000 shares to those incorporators for $600,000, and now in the directions it says we have issued another 5,000 shares to this Robert Campanari for $20 stock. So we have actually 35 shares of common stock that we have issued at that $20 stated amount. That gives us $700,000, which gives us our total stockholders' equity, what our company is worth right now, of $700,000.